The FDA has never granted them the claim that they reduce hospitalization and death or they make the illness milder. So we've had 3 false claims in the vaccine agenda so far. That they stop the infection. They clearly don't. In the spring, the CDC had thousands of patients coming in hospitalized with COVID-19. The CDC May 1st said, we're going to stop tracking these breakthroughs. It was like a dam had broken open. Right. The second false claim is that the vaccines reduce transmission. Well, once the papers poured in and vaccinated people were spreading to each other and the viral load was equal in the nose of the vaccinated, unvaccinated, that claim went down. And then the third false claim is that they reduce the risk of hospitalization and death. Never had a randomized placebo-controlled trial with that as the primary endpoint, despite plenty of opportunity and funding to do so, to ever prove that point. FDA never granted that point. And in my view, we've had really a cadre of biased and flawed papers trying to make that claim. And now even Deborah Birx, who was on the former White House task force, came out and said, listen, the majority of people sick with COVID are fully vaccinated.
So where do they go from here? But they're still being used under the emergency use authorization. Where's the challenge to that?
Well, as Dr. Drew started out, they're actually still under basically a moniker that they're safe and effective. Well, let's take safety. There's never been a safety review. We should have had a monthly safety review, a day safety monitoring board, clinical event committee. I mean, this should have been taken seriously. We're going to ask every American to take one of these every 6 months. We should have had safety reviews, safety analyses. We're a year and a half into this. There's been no formal safety analysis.